guys, it's Wednesday, April 29th. That means we are on day 26 in our math. And we are still working on division. Now, the last couple days, we have worked on starting with our whole and splitting those into equal groups. Today, we're going to start with our whole and split it into equal numbers to find how many groups we will have. So, we'll start with this little example. Let's count how many cookies I have all together, okay? Because we need our whole number first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 15 cookies, okay? And I want to divide my cookies into equal groups, but I don't know how many groups I'm going to have yet. But I want to put 5 cookies in each group. Okay, I don't know how many groups I'm going to have, but I know I want 5 cookies in each group. So I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one group. I'm going to circle it up because that's a group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have 5 in each group. How many groups did I get? 1, 2, 3. Find the number of groups. We needed 3 groups. And this is what we did. We started with 15. That was my whole number. We divided 15, 5 in each group. So 15 divided by 5. I wanted to put 5 cookies in each group. And that gave me 1, 2, 3 groups. So 15 divided by 5 equals 3. I started with 15. I separated them out into groups of 5. And I had 3 groups equally. Okay? Let me get the teacher book and we'll do a couple more examples before we go into your workbook. Okay? So right now you're still just watching what I'm doing. You don't need your workbook yet, okay? You'll need it in a minute, but not yet. All right. This is the same thing. We are going to find how many groups we need. Well, let me flip that back around. There you go. There's a little fun for your math lesson. All right. There are 12 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 eggs. Put 4 eggs into each bowl. And they've done that. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Put 4 eggs into each bowl. How many bowls do you need? How many bowls do we have? 1, 2, 3. So they started with 12. That's the whole number. They divided it by 4. They put them into groups of 4. 12 divided by 4. When they did that, how many groups did they end up with? 1, 2, 3 equal groups. So 12 divided by 4 equals 3. All right, let me show you one more. Then we'll get the workbook out, okay? All right, Kim has 15 toy cats. That's how many we have all together. That's our whole. Okay? She puts 3 toy cats on each sofa. So she has 15. She's going to put them into groups of 3. How many sofas does she need for all the cats? Well, we see 3 on each sofa. Okay? 15 is how many we should have all together. Let's count them to make sure we have 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So yes, we have 15. She has 3 on each couch. How many couches or sofas does she need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. she needs 5 sofas for all the toy cats. So she started with 15. She put them into groups of 3, so she divided them by 3, and that gave her 5 groups. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Now, something else that also works is if I had 15 divided by the number of groups I have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is how many groups I have, that would be how many is in each group, which is what we did Monday and Tuesday. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 15 divided by 5 groups equals 3 in each group. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. All right, now I want you guys to get your math workbook out, your fishy book, your math workbook, and turn to page 199, and it looks like this. Page 199. All right. This says there are 16 fishes. So we know we have 16 fishes here all together. Circle groups of 4. Okay, so each group should have 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a group. 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 There are blank groups of 4 fishes. How many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups of 4 fish. So this is what we did. We started with 16. We divided by circle groups of 4. We divided by 4. And that equals how many groups? 4. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. All right, turn your page to page number 200. Just flip that page right over. See if I can get the whole page on the board for you. There we go. All right, there are 15 oranges, 15 all together. Circle groups of 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There's a group. 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 There are blank groups of 3 oranges. How many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we started with 15. We divided it by groups of 3, 3 in each group. And how many groups did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12 divided by 3 is 5. 15 divided by 3. I don't know why I said 12. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Number 3, 12 children go skating. Circle groups of 4. So we know that we have 12 all together. We're going to divide by groups of 4. So let's circle up. Each group needs to have 4 skaters. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a group. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a group. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a group. There are blank groups of 4 children. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Are you getting the hang of it? I hope so. All right, let's go to our next page. Our next page is page 201, and it looks like this. All right. There are 18 muffins, so we're starting with 18 all together. 18 is our whole number. Circle the muffins in groups of 3. We're going to divide 18 by 3, and how many groups will we have? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember, each group has to have 3 muffins. That's why I'm putting them in groups like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So each group has 3 muffins. Circle the muffins in groups of 3. We did that. How many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 groups of 3 muffins. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. All right, moving right along, guys. This is our last one for today. I want you guys to do this one all by yourself, okay? There are 20 apples. We know that we have 20 apples. Circle the apple. Oh, I'm going to have to help you because they didn't give us the number. They want us to find the number. So, let's say there are 20 apples. Circle the apples in groups of 4. Let's do groups of 4. Okay, I'm going to get you started, then I'm going to let you do the rest of it by yourself. Circle the apples in groups of 4. So you're going to start, 20 is your whole, divide it by groups of 4, and then tell me how many groups you have. So there are blank groups of 4 apples, okay? So I want you guys to finish this one all by yourself. Circle the apples in groups of 4, which means 20 divided by 4 equals something. After you circle your groups of 4, tell me how many groups you have, okay? There are blank groups of 4 apples, and whatever goes in this blank will also go here, okay? So number of groups here and number of groups here. All right, good job, guys. That is all for today's math lesson, and I will see you tomorrow.